Okay, so you click on this video because you want to know um, how you can withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. Well, I've really been curious about that as well. And how does it work? Well, actually, CoinMarketCap doesn't handle withdrawals directly. It's just a site that tracks cryptocurrency prices and market data. So to withdraw money or money or crypto, you need to use cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or other cryptocurrency. Now, what you can do here is you can see here we can click on portfolio here. Then we can add transaction here. This portfolio needs some final touches. You can here click on add transaction, which means, so now I can click on here, add transaction, and I can select, let's say I want to add transaction Bitcoin in quantity, in price per coin, and buy, and then sell quantity, and transfer in and or out. And you can click on add a transaction. And now you can also click on create portfolio, connect to your wallet. So simply enter your wallet address and you will sync it right away. Add transactions manually or connect Binance account. And now we can click on here and we can connect our portfolio. So that's pretty much the answer. You can't unfortunately, do this withdraw from an exchange. Like you can, it doesn't like, because it just doesn't handle withdrawals directly. Because, as I said before, CoinMarketCap is just a website designed to track like cryptocurrency information, not to buy, sell, or hold crypto itself. It's just designed to track and analyze cryptocurrency. And you can think of it like this: CoinMarketCap is like a scoreboard for all different cryptocurrency out there. Shows you the prices, trading volume, and other status. You can see I click on cryptocurrency. Here I can see today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. And it shows you the prices, trading volume. So yeah, that's pretty much the answer. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and